Some women don't chase, and yet they're never forgotten. She didn't ask for his attention. She didn't beg for his love. She simply existed, quietly, confidently, and that terrified him. He couldn't understand why he kept returning in thought, why her silence screamed louder than the voices around him. You see, a woman like her touches something primal, not in the body, but in the psyche. She mirrors back a man's unfulfilled self, his shadow, his anima. To her, love was never about possession. It was presence, depth, truth. But he came with noise, with ego, with the illusion that she needed fixing, or that she needed him. She didn't. And that was his wound. The feminine that no longer clings becomes the mystery the masculine forever longs to solve. In her presence, he met his own emptiness, and in her absence, it echoed louder. He wanted her to stay, but he never dared meet her at the level she lived. So she stopped waiting, stopped hoping, stopped dimming. She rose, not with rage, but with grace. That kind of woman doesn't leave in chaos. She leaves in clarity. And it haunts him, because the woman who doesn't need you is the one you can't forget. He thought he had time, but she was already gone. He mistook her silence for softness, not realizing it was her final act of power. You don't forget a woman who never begged. You just wonder why nothing ever felt as real since she left. She became his phantom, not because she haunted him, but because he never saw her until she disappeared. And now he searches for her in every woman, not knowing what he lost wasn't just her, but the chance to meet the man he could have been had he chosen to rise. The woman who walks away in silence isn't weak. She simply sees more.